Can your Instagram followers see what you're listening to on Spotify? If you're wondering whether Instagram automatically shows your Spotify listening activity to your followers, here's how it actually works. First, open the Spotify app. Now, play any song you want to listen to. Spotify does not automatically post every song you're listening to on your Instagram profile. However, if you choose to share a song to Instagram, your followers may be able to see what you're listening to through the story or other sharing option you select. If you want to share a song, tap the share button while the song is playing, then choose Instagram Stories. Instagram will open with the song information added to your story. You can then customize the story and share it with your followers. If you don't share the song to Instagram, your followers won't automatically see your Spotify listening activity through Instagram. Keep in mind that Spotify has its own listening activity and sharing features which are separate from Instagram. And that's it. Your Instagram followers can't normally see everything you're listening to on Spotify unless you choose to share it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Instagram and Spotify tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.